What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how you can transfer USDT from Binance to Trust Wallet. Now this is very quick and easy. The first thing you need to do, guys, you want to click on wallet in the top right, click on fiat and spot, the second option. So you can do the same steps on your phone. Okay, this works on all devices, like the same thing. So you want to scroll down a little bit. Okay, let me just check. Okay, so you want to scroll down, like I said, a little bit, and you want to find here USDT, as you can see. So next to USDT you will see here withdraw, as you can see, withdraw. So you need to click on withdraw. In the action section you want to click on withdraw, and here it will ask you, guys, Binance will ask you for wallet address. You want to go to your you want to open the app on your phone, your wallet, your Trust Wallet. Open the app and you want to click on these lions in the top right, as you can see, these lions, and then you want to search for USDT. So you want to go with this one, the ERC20. All right, and now you want to click on receive. Okay, you want to click on receive so that you can get the wallet address. So this is your wallet address. Now we want to click on copy. As you can see, it says here address has been copied, and now you want to paste here the address and the network. You want to select, let me just check. Okay, let me check for the wallet. Yeah, this is the wallet network. You want to select this network, Polygon. It's very important, guys. Don't select other networks, otherwise you are going to lose your funds. Now you want to select this one, and here you want to select the amount, for example 1, and then you want to click on withdraw.